Fraction Part 1. Fraction is the part of a whole or a part of a collection. Identify the fraction. Whole, half, 1/3, 1/4. Writing fraction. Numerator by denominator. Numerator is number parts considered. Denominator is total number of equal parts in all. Equivalent fractions. Fractions that represent same part of the whole are called equivalent fraction. To form an equivalent fraction, we divide or multiply numerator and denominator of the fraction by the same number. 8 by 16 divided by 2 is equal to 4 by 8 divided by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Reducing fraction to the lowest terms. Lowest form of fraction. Fraction in which numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. For example, half is the equation in the lowest form. Fraction can be reduced to lowest form by dividing numerator and denominator by common factor. Dividing numerator and denominator by their common factor until only one left as common factor. For example, reduce 32 by 40. So we divide 32 by 2 and 40 by 2, which is equal to 16 divided by 20, and further divided by 2, and it's equal to 8 by 10. Further, when we divide it by 2, we get 4 by 5 has the only common factor as 1, so this is the lowest form. Lowest form of factor by dividing numerator and denominator by HCF. Divide numerator and denominator directly by HCF. For example, reduce 32 by 40. Prime factor of 32 and 40 are 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 40, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 32 divided by 8 upon 40 divided by 8 is equal to 4 by 5. Unit fraction. Fraction having numerator as 1, 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. Like fraction, if denominator of two fractions are same, 3 by 4 and 6 by 4. Unlike fraction, if denominator of two fractions are different, 3 by 4 and 6 by 9. Convert unlike to like fractions. To convert unlike fraction to like fraction, first find the LCM of denominator. Unlike fraction can be converted to equivalent fraction with LCM as denominator. For example, for 2 by 14 and 7 by 21, LCM of 14 and 21 is 42. Changing denominator of first fraction to 42, 42 divided by 14 is equal to 3. Multiply numerator and denominator with 3. 2 into 3 by 14 into 3 is equal to 6 by 42. Changing denominator of second fraction to 42. 42 divided by 21 is 2. Multiply numerator and denominator with 2. 7 into 2 by 21 into 2 is equal to 14 by 42. 6 by 42 and 14 by 42 are like fractions. Comparing like fractions. The fraction having smaller numerator is smaller. For example, 1 by 6 is smaller than 4 by 6. Comparing unlike fractions. By cross multiplication, compare 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. Cross multiplying factors. 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9 and 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So 9 is greater than 8. So 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3. By converting into like fractions, Compare 2 by 3 and 7 by 9. LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. Changing denominator of first fraction to 9. 2 into 3 by 3 into 3 is 6 by 9. Changing denominator of second fraction to 9. 7 into 1 by 9 into 1 is equal to 7 upon 9. So 7 is greater than 6. So 7 by 9 is greater than 2 by 3. Proper fraction. If numerator is smaller than denominator. 3 by 4, 6 by 9. Improper fraction. If numerator is greater than denominator. 7 by 4, 15 by 9. Mixed fraction. Fraction having whole number and proper fraction. 5, 3 by 4, 7, 6 by 9. Converting improper fraction to mixed fraction. 7 by 3 into mixed fraction. 7 divided by 3. Quotient is 2 and remainder is 1. 7 by 3 is quotient plus remainder upon denominator. 7 by 3 is 2 plus 1 upon 3 is 2, 1, 3. Converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. Convert to 1 by 3. Multiply whole number with denominator. 2 into 3 is 6. Add the product of the numerator of the fraction part, it becomes the numerator of the improper fraction. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 is the numerator. Denominator of the fraction will remain same. So 1 by 3 is 7 by 3. Thank you.